Hi, kitty cats. So, got some more stuff from Ulta. Which has been my main thing lately. I did order something from someplace else though, this month. This does not wanna. Oh, there we go. So, let's see. We have the air pillows. I feel the need to pop these like right away. Hey, look at me. I don't know what that was. So, got rid of all that. So there isn't really that much in here. Because some of it is stuff that may be going into a giveaway and I don't want to show it quite yet. But I did get this. I wanted more of the stuff from the sex education collab from NYX. So I am going to do a video about all of these products. My first impressions on them and all that. I can't even get this open. Because they taped it closed. And I should not have done that with my nail. That's bad. Don't do that. It's really bad for your nails. So, there's the pretty colors. I really like the bright colors. This one right here is really sticking out to me. And it's good. They're very sparkly. I like-y. So, some bubble wrap. And also got this. It is a Juicy Secrets lip gloss. Also part of the sex education collab. I think it's probably... No, it's not a clear lip gloss. Okay then. So we'll check that out with the rest of the products when we make a video about that. And it also came with a cute little bag. It's kind of weird though. Like, looks like it would be like your normal little bag, but it actually stretches out. So it's supposed to be like a little pencil bag. So it's got like some of the characters in the show. If you haven't watched the show, it's really good. So I sworn I got more stuff, but maybe I didn't. Maybe this is it. Okay, here we go. I got... Usually stuff from Ulta is better packaged than this, at least for me. I've heard people complain about Ulta packaging before, but I've been using Ulta for years with no issues. But today it seems like somebody just really kind of threw stuff together here. But I needed some nail polish base and top coats. So I decided to try this brand I never tried before called No, this is, yeah, Seche, I think. So this is the base, and this is the top coat. So I think I'll probably paint my nails in a little bit here. I haven't painted them in a while. I'm gonna paint them. And then I only got one other thing, really, was this big clip. And I wanted this because some of my wigs like really get in my face and stuff. I actually didn't realize this was just one big clip. I thought it was two smaller clips. But still, it's pretty with little pearls on it. Very, my brain just fell out. Very romantic kind of looking. And it's from the Romance in Bloom collection from Squinchie. So when I'm wearing a wig, I need a clip here and there. So that's it. I thought there was more, but I guess this is a short video. And I'm gonna make another video where I'm gonna show how to use like some of those sex education products and give you some swatches as well. So that'll be exciting. Okay, bye bye kitty cats.